Evaluate the opposite of x when x is a negative number. We know x is a negative number, all right? But since x is a negative number, I'd like to rewrite this. I want to put parentheses just around the x here. And I want to turn this parentheses into a bracket. Okay? All right? So it's going to look like this. If you put parentheses just around the x and you replace this parentheses with a bracket, you have the same expression you have here as you have here. These are the same. How do I know they're the same? How many negatives do you have here? 1, 2. How many negatives do you have here? 1, 2. So it really doesn't change anything by putting the extra bracket there. But it allows me to substitute a negative 4 in for the x. All right? So we rewrote this way with some brackets. And now I'm going to write this again down here. Copy this negative down. Copy down the bracket sign. Copy this negative down. But in place of this parentheses, instead of the opposite of x, I'm going to let x be with that number right there. Okay? So this is very close to this, but right now, since x is a negative, I'm going to replace this x with this negative 4. Now how many negatives do I have? 1, 2, 3, you see? So you don't have to do any of this if you just think. How many negatives do I have? How many negatives do I have? 1, 2, there's the third one right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it looks like this, but you don't have to do any of this if you could just think 1, 2, 3, and write the answer as a -4.